Hi there, welcome to Smart English with Bhowmic, your go-to place for learning English meets mastering money. Imagine speaking smarter and spending smarter. Sounds exciting, right? Stick with me and we will explore how to achieve financial freedom while enhancing your English skills. Let's dive in. Did you know that financial freedom is not about being rich but being in control? And here is the twist. Today, we will learn money secrets and smart English expressions to talk like a pro. Ready? Chapter 1 Introduction to Financial Freedom. Financial freedom means living life on your own terms. It's not just about saving money, it's about building wealth, managing finances wisely, and making your money work for you. Let me explain this with a practical English phrase. Instead of saying, I am saving for the future, say, I am building a financial cushion. Sounds more confident, right? In this video, I will guide you through practical steps to financial freedom while upgrading your English vocabulary with professional phrases. You will learn how to understand your financial situation, set clear financial goals, create a budget, tackle debt, build an emergency fund, and invest for growth. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to achieving financial freedom and living your dream life. So, if you are ready to learn the secrets to financial freedom, make sure to watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. Chapter 2 The concept of financial freedom. Let's break it down. Financial freedom is different for everyone. For some, it's covering basic needs like food and shelter. For others, it's living a life filled with travel and hobbies. The key is knowing what your dream lifestyle looks like and how much money it requires. Your safe withdrawal rate is the percentage of your portfolio that you can withdraw every year without running out of money. A common rule of thumb is to use 4%, which means that you can withdraw 4% of your portfolio every year and still have enough money to last for 30 years or more. However, you can adjust this rate depending on your risk tolerance, inflation, and market conditions. For example, your financial freedom number equals your annual living expenses divided by your safe withdrawal rate. If your expenses are $40,000 annually and you use the 4% rule, your number is $1 million. Knowing this number is your first step to control your future. This means that you need to have a portfolio of $1 million to achieve financial freedom, assuming that you can generate a 4% return on your investments every year. Of course, this number may vary depending on your personal situation and goals, but it gives you a ballpark figure to aim for. And here is a tip. When discussing these, use phrases like financial blueprint or wealth strategy to sound more professional. Chapter 3 Understanding your financial situation. To reach financial freedom, you need to assess where you stand. Create a personal balance sheet listing assets like savings, investments, or properties, and liabilities like loans or credit card debts. This means that you need to know how much money you have, how much money you owe, and how much money you make. You can do this by creating a personal balance sheet and a personal income statement. A personal balance sheet is a snapshot of your assets and liabilities at a given point in time. Your assets are the things that you own that have value, such as cash, bank accounts, investments, properties, vehicles, etc. Your liabilities are the things that you owe to others, such as loans, mortgages, credit cards, etc. Your net worth is the difference between your assets and your liabilities, and it represents your financial health and wealth. A personal income statement is a summary of your income and expenses over a period of time, such as a month or a year. Your income is the money that you earn from your work, business, investments, or other sources. Your expenses are the money that you spend on your living cost, such as rent, utilities, food, transportation, etc. Your cash flow is the difference between your income and your expenses, and it represents your financial performance and progress. This gives you your net worth, a fancy way to say your financial health. Now, track your cash flow, how much money comes in versus goes out each month. Replace saying I am tracking expenses with I am analyzing my cash flow for a professional tone. Knowing these basics empowers you to plan smarter. Part 2 and 3 will be more engaging. See you next time. Stay tuned.